Guys, Brian back here with a look at Kadena. Okay, we're going to see if this correction is over yet or if it has deeper to go. And we're going to take a look at that in just a second here. I got some news on the ETF here over on Twitter. If you go over there, there's all kinds of stuff. Michael Vanderpop put out a tweet here. The ARK21 share Bitcoin ETF is approved. Official on the website of the SEC. We're waiting for further confirmations, but it seems legit that we're going live tomorrow with this. A historical day. Alright, so he came down here and said it's not fake. The link for the document can be found here. I clicked on it. This is what opens up right here. Right here up the top, sec.gov. If you look at it, certification by an exchange approving securities for listing. ARK21 share Bitcoin ETF. Filing date January 10th. Accepted January 10th. And if you want to freeze the frame and take a look over this, but I don't know. You know, is this just the application that was accepted January 10th? That's today at 10:56 a.m. So I don't know. There's stuff all over there that says it's been approved. So we'll see what happens here, but there you go. All right, which makes the crypto bubbles. We got some stuff bouncing pretty nice here. We have some 4-hour RSIs coming up to the top here, so there could be a little bit of pullback here, but for the most part, things are looking pretty decent. If Bitcoin breaks 46,000, let me get this price for you here. 46,800. All right, then we got a breakout. Okay, it's pulled back 250 bucks. 46.8. Remember that number. Okay, that's right here. I'll show it to you real quick. Right up here on a 4-hour. You see it hitting that resistance up here, this yellow line, and then it has blue resistance above it. 46,000, 46,800 would put it in the clear. That would be a breakout. It's come up here and hit this line numerous times, so I would expect it to bust. If it busts through here, we got a clear breakout. Excuse me. This blue line is the 618 fib level, so got to be careful once we get up to them levels. We'll keep a close eye on that. And if you haven't yet, guys, please consider becoming a member of the channel. For $14.99, you can get the trading course that teaches you how to do all this stuff. Look for bottoms, price targets, everything. All right, we have 66 members over there now, so thank you so very, very much, guys. It's going very, very well. Thank you. I appreciate it more than you know. Now let's take a look here. All right, as far as a pullback would go from our swing low to our swing high. All right, we've come down through here. We've hit a 702 here, so we'll see if this is good enough or not. You know, it could pull down. It could pull down to this 0.8579. That would be a 786. But we have hit a 702 here, which in my mind that should be good enough. Looks like it ABC'd here. If you go out here on the weekly, let me show you something here, and take a trend-based fib, which gives you a price target here for this thing, from our swing low to our swing high to the retrace. Okay, so that looks like it was probably 5 moves up. 1, 2, there must be a 4th wave in there somewhere. Let's take a closer look here. 2, 3, or this is a 4th wave pullback and we have a 5th wave up yet. You know, I just don't see any 4th wave in there. You know, I see a 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, do we have 1 wave up yet? This is usually pretty legit with targets. Okay, so this reached up here to $1.67, has a target of $1.71. So is this an ABC in here? That very well could be. You know, it could have done the 5 waves up and then had a correction in here, A, B, C. And that could be completing now, and that could be why we're starting to get a bounce here. Now, as far as the RSIs go, the daily RSI, it just turned bullish. It's at a 22 and a 13. The 12-hour is bullish. It's at a 61 and a 45. If your blue number over here is bigger than your orange number, you're bullish. And just the opposite way around. If the orange number is bigger, you're bearish. All right. The 8-hour, 87 and a 75, still bullish, and the 4-hour is still bullish at a 91 and an 86. All right, any confirmed breakout, you would have to, I would expect to close, right above to confirm a breakout of this. I'd like to see it close above $1.26, $1.20. Let's see here. Let's get this on here. Yeah, above $1.26. We've hit that $1.26 here and got rejected. If we can close above $1.26, then this correction should be over. All right. So keep an eye on that. Any close above $1.26, then we should flip this area right through here. Let's see, it was resistance, support through here, support, or resistance over here. I'm sorry. That should be an RS flip, $1.26, and then we should retest that as support and move up from there. So keep an eye on $1.26. Right down here, you got good support right here at $1.850, I would say. I'd keep that right there, and then down here at that 86, 88 down there. Of course, that's very good support. So keep an eye on them levels. If it breaks that $1.26, watch for $1.40 next, and if it breaks that, then this thing's definitely going higher. All right, so keep an eye on those levels, guys. Watch for a closing candle above $1.26 for a confirmed breakout. That would mean this correction should be over. All right, have a great day, everybody. I will talk to you very soon.